Okay, as promised, here he is. Okay, he goes over there, has a little bit of a look around the corner. Okay, we'll probably leave it there because I think you get the gist of most of that. Alright, now he just goes around like that for, forever long he needs to go for. He'll probably duck into the kitchen in a minute. No, he's going to duck over under the table here. But he goes around like this for about an hour and does the most perfect vacuuming job ever. So we'll leave it like that for a minute. I'm sure you get the hang of it. Okay, so then when it's time and he's done all his cleaning, he comes back here and he wiggles around. You can see there's his house over there. Not happy with the way he went home, so he comes back out. Well, he's going to have another go. Happy, and he's all home.